Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 43-inch MI Smart 4K LED TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is no display. Here you can see this is the model number. See friends, this is the fault. The MI logo comes for a second, then it becomes no display. You can see the backlights are working properly. You can see the backlight. These types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. See friends, it's a 43-inch 4K panel. See friends, this is the T-con board. You can see two FFC cables. It's a Csot panel. To repair this panel, first we need to find out the shorting is in which side. For that we need to remove the FFC cable from one side. After that we need to turn on the TV and check the picture. If both sides of the panel is short, then panel is not repairable. Then in that situation, panel replacement is the only solution. See friends, here we now removed the left side FFC cable from the T-con board. We can repair it using a temporary method. Now the TV is turned on. So let us check the picture. See friends, now the display comes. Here you can see. So here we confirm that the fault is with the left side gate signals inside the glass panel, and the right side of the panel is working properly. You can see the picture is there. So to repair this, we need to block the left side gate signal tracks using taping method. See friends, the right side of the panel, you can see the picture is correct. So it's 100% confirmed that the complaint is with the left side of the panel. So here we need to block the gate signals entered to the panel through this FFC cable. For that we need to use the taping method. We need to block the last 14 pins from the left side of the FFC cable. You can see we need to block these last 14 pins using taping method. See friends, finally here we blocked the gate signal tracks using taping method. See friends, using a tape here we blocked the last 14 pins. These are the gate signal tracks that entering to the left side of the panel. So now let us reconnect the FFC cable back to the T-con board. This is just only a temporary solution and we cannot predict how long the TV display will work using this method. It completely depends on luck basis. So now we reconnected the FFC cable from the left side after modifying the gate signal tracks. See friends, now the TV is released from the standby. You can see now the picture comes and the complaint is solved successfully. This is just only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement. See friends, now the picture is crystal clear. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. See friends, now the complaint is solved successfully. Here you can see you need to block the last 14 pins as shown in the video. These are the gate signal tracks. You need to block these gate signal tracks using taping method. So thank you for watching.